So today I got a trade recap for April 15th. So I started off by looking at this gap right here, which yesterday I said I was looking for this gap to be retraced into and see a reaction off of that. So we saw that pre-market we actually came into this gap and retraced off this back to the upside. We saw that pre-market we actually had a huge move up. So I noticed that when the macro opened we were super overbought, and we saw that there was a breakup structure on the 1 hour time frame. And from this 4 hour reaction, my bias for the day was bullish. But since we were super overbought, I wanted to be more careful with what my confluences were. So right after the macro opened, we saw that there was a 5 minute breakup structure to the downside. So what I was thinking during this is that we are seeing bearish order flow during my bullish bias. So at first I thought about changing my whole bias to be bearish, but we were still overbought from this previous move up, and we had swept out this 1 hour liquidity from before. So after that, we saw this 5 minute huge leg down, and we saw a retracement into that. So I thought about shorting here, but we just got another 5 minute breakup structure to the upside at 10:40. So this was getting a little too close to the ending of my trading time frame. So I didn't want to take a trade right after a 5 minute breakup structure to the downside, of which my bias flipped to bearish, and then right after that another 5 minute breakup structure to the upside, because we came into this 4 hour gap again and this move right here. So that led me to not taking a trade for the day, because I just wasn't happy with the order flow I was seeing, because my original bias was bullish and we were seeing bearish order flow.